15 key items have been identified by the Manitoba Metis Federation. They include the Métis Nation, social development, and economic participation. Part of the ask by the MMF is enacting the modern-day treaty they signed with the federal government this past summer. The MMF estimates the cost of governance to be at least $30 million a year. MMF President David Chartrand says he will stand behind any government that supports the Métis Nation.
And I've been in politics a long time, and people say, well, David, you're just a liberal. No, I'm not. I supported Brian Mulroney. I'll say it publicly. Joe Clark. So those are people that actually had a lot of respect for the Métis people, as given as our mandate as a Métis government. So when you look at it, Chrétien, I wasn't very close to John Chrétien, but I was close to Paul Martin for one reason alone, because he supported the Métis Nation. And so does Trudeau. And he showed this by putting resources.
The MMF wants to be included in the First Nations and Inuit Health Branch and see a 10-year, $50 million agreement to address Métis homelessness. The MMF also highlighted reparations for land claims, which they believe should be $1 billion or more spread out over 20 years. Chartrand says Indigenous people need to vote so their voices can be heard.
Indigenous people matter, and it's going to be very, very important that everybody comes out to vote. I think people need to send their message. If not, you do not matter.
Daryl Stranger, APTN National News, Winnipeg.